Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Xiaomi 11T Pro. Okay, so what we will need is next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. There's another box here, you just remove it like this, and if you open it like that you will have here the SIM ejection tool. So just remove with flapping the wings. Otherwise you could use also, by the way, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, if you have the phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now with the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip, you need to enter that hole. And please mind that you don't take this hole here, by the way, because this is the microphone. So take the hole here at the SIM tray and press a bit. And the SIM tray will come out. So this SIM tray you're able to insert two SIM cards, so one on the top and one below. By the way, if you want to know which place is for which SIM card, there's always written if it's SIM 1 or SIM 2 here in the middle on the metal. Okay, so let's start now with the first SIM card. So the contacts are on the top and here's the missing corner at the SIM card. Place it like this so that it's here missing corner on missing corner, and it should look like this then at the end. Yeah, if you want to add a second SIM card, you can do that here on the other side. So there's within SIM 2 then. So also the contacts are on the top and the missing corner goes here on the missing corner like this here. And be sure that's well inserted. Then put your construction like this here back into the phone and close it well. Yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in me. Just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support. And maybe until next time. Ciao.